Hello, it's Monday, May the 16th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar strengthened versus most of the major currencies due to a weakening in risk appetite. US Treasury Secretary Geithner said at the beginning of the week that a default arising from failing to raise the debt limit could cause irrevocable damage to the economy, risk a double-dip recession, and increase unemployment. His words motivated investors buying the US dollar against most currencies since it is considered a safe haven in time of uncertainty. The Dow fell by 0.79% and the Nasdaq lost 1.21%. Crude traded unchanged and closed at $98.80 a barrel. Gold jumped by 1% and closed at $1,492,000 an ounce. Today, Fed Chairman Bernanke is expected to speak. The euro declined against the dollar after hitting a 6-week low at 140.65, with lingering concerns about what happens with Greece yet to be decided by EU members. Traders do not want to hold euros. Greek finances seem unsustainable, and the risk of restructuring, which could lead to losses in the European banking sector and a sell-off of euros. The pair is testing support at 140. Trading below support will keep the momentum negative for the pair. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 140.62 and a high of 143.38. The pound fell against the greenback for a second straight week due to a week of risk aversion and a slump in commodities. The trend for the pair is bearish if the pair continues to maintain resistance at 162.50. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 161.46 and a high of 165.16. No economic data is expected today. The dollar remained unchanged against the yen after the pair failed to break strong support at 80.30. Bank of Japan Governor Shirakawa is signaling that his biggest worry is inflation, but the strength of the US dollar around the globe minimized the yen's gains. The trend for the pair should be bullish if the pair breaks resistance at 81. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Australian dollar declined against its US counterpart as investors sought safety. It also fell after the People's Bank of China raised their reserve requirement for the 5th time this year to cool inflation, spurring concern that global growth may be slowing. The trend for the pair remains bearish. Today, monetary policy meeting minutes are expected. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.